I keep on saying I'm very sorry, and I am very sorry even to the mother. Ningo kwira kiratumire ndikambe guthi gucerera kuria kwa Ndwati. Ungiona how kiundu giki kirakuirwo ri kirakuirwo in a way marenda gugitua political, and it was not political. Ukakora andu ni mathire manja gwika maandamano, ugakora andu ara manja gucera ku, ugakora, so the crowd is incited. Digiuma digeruta haha nditware ugwatine kana we Kamau ukene wiguite ati Alice ni athire atakwo tondu akwirwo atiriri niwe wari kuria Ndwati arathiirwo. Haya no kebe, so ona ndungithi no ugutuma condolences ona gutuma na condolences. Yes, I have sent the condolences. Haya no I have sent the condolences. No tutikanie na kwa idariri iriri mheshimiwa Alice Wabui